All right, let's talk about a side hustle that is absolutely blowing up right now, starting a fully automated TikTok shop. We're going to break down exactly how you can build a business that pretty much runs itself, because believe me, the opportunity on this platform is just getting started.
I mean, get this. People are making thousands of dollars every single day. So you've got to be asking, how is that even possible? Especially if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. Well, the secret, it's all about automation.
Okay, so what's the big deal here? What makes this business model so special? Well, unlike pretty much any other kind of e-commerce out there, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. It's almost like it was designed for people who want to start something without a ton of cash up front. And this is where it gets really good. I mean, think about it. You're not holding any inventory, so no garage full of boxes. You're not shipping anything yourself, so no trips to the post office. You can start with basically no money. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and the best part, you get your time back through automation. Okay, this slide right here, this is the crucial difference. With the normal online store, you're the one who has to go out and find every single customer. It's all on you. But with a TikTok shop, man, you're plugging straight into this massive built-in audience. The platform itself and its creators literally help bring the customers to you. And this really puts it all into perspective. TikTok isn't just messing around here. They are trying to take on Amazon. That is how big their ambition is. Getting in on this right now is like catching a massive wave that the platform itself is creating for you to ride. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. You're probably thinking, okay, setting up a store sounds complicated. But honestly, it's way easier than you think. Let's walk through the exact first steps to get you up and running. So, one of the first questions TikTok is going to ask you is about your business type. And don't let this trip you up. Most people just starting out simply choose individual or sole proprietorship. The most important thing here is to just get moving, not to get bogged down in paperwork. And seriously, look how simple this is. You just head over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center, sign up for a new account, pick that business type we just talked about, and then do a quick identity verification. That's it. Once you're approved, you're on to the fun part, finding products. Okay, now we're getting to the absolute core of this whole operation, the engine that makes your entire business run. We're talking about finding products that actually sell, and this is the magic part, automating the entire process. This is what lets the business run without you having to be there 24/7. So let me introduce you to your new best friend, an automation supplier like AutoDS. Think of it as your personal virtual warehouse and your entire shipping department all rolled into one powerful tool. It connects you to products and handles all the annoying logistics from the second a customer hits buy. And it's not just about shipping things. This solves the biggest question everyone has. What on earth do I sell? You get access to hand-picked products with all the data you need, profit margins, target audience, all of it. It even has this incredible ad spy tool so you can see what's already crushing it on social media. The guesswork, it's gone. So just picture this. A sale comes in on your shop. What do you have to do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The system just takes over. It automatically tells the supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You don't touch a thing. That is what real automation looks like. Okay, your shop is up, you've got your products, it's all automated. Now for the million-dollar question. How do we get people to actually buy this stuff? Well, this is where the TikTok shop model is a complete game changer. And the strategy is probably not what you're thinking. Yeah, everyone's first thought is I need to run ads. But with TikTok Shop, that's just not the best way to go, especially when you're starting out. The real power, the secret sauce, is in organic marketing. And you know the best part about organic marketing? It's free. And how do you do that? With TikTok Shop affiliates. These are content creators, people already making videos on TikTok every single day, who are literally searching for cool products like yours to show their audience. In a way, they're like a commission-only sales team that's just ready and waiting for you. And this right here, this is the part that should get you really excited. All it takes is one viral video from one of these affiliates, and your entire business can change overnight. It can trigger a massive wave of sales and bring in even more affiliates who want to promote your stuff. So let's just recap how awesome this is. A creator finds your product, they make content to promote it for you for free, and you only pay them a small cut after you've already made the sale. It is literally a zero-risk, high-reward marketing machine.
Now, we've covered the mechanics of building a killer income stream, but let's zoom out a little bit. Let's take this one step further and talk about how to turn this from just a side hustle into a real, valuable, long-term asset.
And that brings us to a really important question. Is just having a successful TikTok shop the end game? Well, actually, it's just the beginning of a much, much bigger opportunity.
And this side lays it out perfectly. Look, if you're only on TikTok, you're kind of at the mercy of their platform, right? Their rules, their algorithm. But if you use that success to build a full brand, well, now you've got something that's diversified, that's resilient, and that's an actual asset you could sell one day.
So here's the big picture strategy. See your TikTok shop as the launchpad. It's the rocket fuel. You take that success, you take those profits, and you build a brand that lives everywhere, on its own website, on Instagram, everywhere. A brand that you truly own. And that's really what it all comes down to. When you have a system that automates all the tedious stuff, the finding, the selling, the shipping, what are you left with? You're left with time. Time to be creative, time to think bigger, and time to be a true brand builder. So the only question left is, what kind of brand are you going to build?